Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Austin classification. So this is based on the presence or absence of the malleus. So it can be presence or the absence of the malleus handle. So presence and absence of the malleus handle, and also so we are writing this as M, also, and the stapes suprastructure and the stapes suprastructure, that is S. So assuming that the incus is absent in all cases, this will be absent in all cases. Now let's look at the types and the structures. So types here, we'll have the A, B, C, D, B, C and D. So let's look at A. So in terms of A, the malleus handle, it is positive. So the M plus. Then looking at stapes suprastructure, this is S plus. So the reconstruction will be by the PORP. So before we move ahead, let's look at what is PORP. So PORP stands for the partial ossicular reconstruction prosthesis. So it is a partial ossicular reconstruction prosthesis. Next is TORP. So what is TORP? TORP stands for the total ossicular reconstruction prosthesis. So total ossicular reconstruction prosthesis. So let's continue now. So this is by reconstruction will be by the PORP. So then we move on to D. So we saw both are positive. So now let's move on to D. So M negative and S negative. So here, since it is totally opposite, so this will be the total ossicular reconstruction processes. So it is a TORP. Next we move on to the B. So here both are positive, here both are negative. So in terms of B, it is M plus. And next when you look at C, it is going to be M minus. It is going to be just the opposite. So first is positive, then is negative. So S negative, here will be S positive. So this will be TORP. So A was PORP. So reconstruction here is going to be TORP. And then in terms of C, the reconstruction is going to be PORP. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.